Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to deactivate your Thumbtack account. Now if you want to deactivate your Thumbtack account but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Deactivate your Thumbtack account. Make sure that you have installed the Thumbtack app on your device. So if you have not installed the Thumbtack app, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So open the Thumbtack app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, then you want to be able to deactivate your account. So this is the home page of Thumbtack, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as various options at the very upper taskbar. Now to deactivate your account, you just need to click on the profile icon at the very top right, and under the profile icon you'll see the option of account, notifications, help, privacy policy and all of it. So click on the option of account, and here you'll see the option of deactivate account, which is below edit payment method and above delete my account data. So click on the option of deactivate account and it will take you to the page where it will show you the option of are you sure you want to deactivate your account, and you need to give the reason for deactivating your account and click on the small square box which says I am sure I want to deactivate your account's name. So after selecting all of it, you may click on the option of deactivate account, and by doing all of it you will be able to deactivate your Thumbtack account. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.